Use questioning as a method to learn English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 301. Which tense emphasizes the duration of an action that started in the past and is still continuing up to the present moment? A. He waits for her for 2 hours. B. He has waited for her for 2 hours. C. He is waiting for her for 2 hours. D. He has been waiting for her for 2 hours. Correct answer, he has been waiting for her for 2 hours. Present perfect continuous tense. Question number 302. Which tense describes a prolonged past action that explains a past consequence or state? A. She was tired because she studied all night. B. She was tired because she had been studying all night. C. She is tired because she studies all night. D. She will be tired because she will study all night. Correct answer, she was tired because she had been studying all night. Past perfect continuous tense. Question number 303. Which tense is used for general statements and facts? A. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. B. Water is boiling at 100 degrees Celsius. C. Water boiled at 100 degrees Celsius. D. Water will boil at 100 degrees Celsius. Correct answer, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Simple present tense. Question number 304. Which tense describes a temporary action that is happening now or around now, possibly for a limited time? A. My sister lives with us for a few months. B. My sister is living with us for a few months. C. My sister lived with us for a few months. D. My sister will live with us for a few months. Correct answer, my sister is living with us for a few months. Present continuous tense. Question number 305. Which tense describes a completed action in the past, with a specific past time reference? A. They got married last year. B. They get married every year. C. They are getting married. D. They have gotten married. Correct answer, they got married last year. Simple past tense. Question number 306. Which tense is used for predictions about the future based on current evidence or a strong feeling? A. I think it will be a good movie. B. I think it is going to be a good movie. C. I think it is a good movie. D. I think it was a good movie. Correct answer, I think it is going to be a good movie. Be going to future. Question number 307. Which tense is used for actions that started in the past and continue up to the present? A. I have read that book. B. I read that book last week. C. I am reading that book. D. I will read that book. Correct answer, I have read that book. Present perfect tense. Question number 308. Which tense describes a continuous action in the past that was interrupted by a new, shorter event? A. While I walked, I heard a strange noise. B. While I was walking, I heard a strange noise. C. While I have walked, I heard a strange noise. D. While I walk, I hear a strange noise. Correct answer, while I was walking, I heard a strange noise. Past continuous tense. Question number 309. Which tense describes an action that was completed before another past event, emphasizing the order of events? A. When she arrived, he cooked dinner. B. When she arrived, he had cooked dinner. C. When she arrives, he cooks dinner. D. When she arrived, he was cooking dinner. Correct answer, when she arrived, he had cooked dinner. Past perfect tense. Question number 310. Which tense is used to talk about a future event that will be completed by a specific future deadline? A. By the end of the semester, I finish all my exams. B. By the end of the semester, I will finish all my exams. C. By the end of the semester, I will have finished all my exams. D. By the end of the semester, I am finishing all my exams. Correct answer, by the end of the semester, I will have finished all my exams. Future perfect tense. Like, share, comment and subscribe.